Happy Friday, everybody. Miss Jane 1973. Well, this is my purchase that I just got today. It came about noon today, and I'm gonna hopefully set so you can hear the alarm clock part first. I had it go off just before I made this video, and you can hear what it sounds like. There it goes. There's the display. It will turn itself off. I have it set to buzz. I can set it to AM or FM or buzz. So, and it did work with AM setting. But this is cooler. Not very loud, but it would definitely, I guess it would wake you up if you had it sitting right to your bed. It is a travel alarm. So, hold on. There, it stopped. So this is cool. That's the alarm part. And you guessed it, this is a travel alarm. It came, I only ordered it on October 1st, and Canada Post went on strike very without notice on September 25th. This was rerouted to Uni, a courier service, and I have another one coming. Canada Post, actually, as of tonight, is doing rotating strikes, or they're getting their employees back, and they're hopefully going to be delivering packages that were stuck in the system. They're getting back starting tomorrow, and so next week. But we'll see. This is Thanksgiving weekend in Canada, so it's actually the holiday is actually Monday, but I celebrate it with my family on Sunday. I was going to wait till Monday, when our Sunday night, or Monday when I got home from my parents' place, but we're having Thanksgiving on Sunday at my parents' new apartment. So, and I'll probably be just getting ready to go tomorrow. I'd like to do it tonight, make this video. I'm gonna try not to make it too long, but I'm going to show you this. That's the box that it came in. It's really neat. Now this radio is gray, more gray. The one on the box is black. Okay. Now I did post pictures and a couple of videos on the fire alarm panel on Facebook earlier today. So if you want to see anything, just pause. Don't know the date of this, but I'm going to say it's sometime in the 2000s. There's a date on there, the display, and that's 12/16. So that would be December of 2016, I guess. These are cool. Sorry about that. There's the diagram of everything. So it's got a display, and it shows the date, and it even shows the temperature. The alarm clock radio with telescope scoping antenna. There's the smoke alarm. Snooze button for your leisurely wake-ups. Large time display also shows month and date and temperature, which I think is really cool. And this is called the Sharper Image Design AM/FM companion with smoke alarm. So it is pretty cool. And this is the travel case that it came with. Really cool for taking with you. And this here is a the business reply mail. So the business owner's response card. as I said, yeah. So it is cool. Looks like a rather new item. It's not that old. I've seen a couple of them on eBay. So it's really, really neat. And here is the owner's manual. Again, I'll get my camera to focus. Just put this to the side a little. And I have tested this, by the way. It does work with test spray. So there's table of contents and everything. The alarm runs on a 9-volt battery. And the alarm clock runs, the radio runs on 2 AA batteries. Of course, the AA batteries and the 9-volt are not included. That, go figure. I'll try to go slowly. There's the diagram, the compartments, and it did come with an alarm clock, a battery for the clock function already in it. It did come with that. So that was included. And I'll show you in a minute. Okay. Sorry about that. It's just the weird lighting in my apartment. And that's the end there. And there's the warranty. Oh, here's a date, 1998. So, there you go. So it's not